Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Ugg Spray is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who loves their suede and leather footwear. Today, we're diving deep into this product, testing its effectiveness, and exploring why it's a must-have for protecting your investment. Whether you're a longtime Ugg enthusiast or new to the brand, this video will provide you with all the information you need to keep your boots looking their best. Number 5. Crep Protect Shoe Protector Spray. Are you tired of ruining your favorite shoes? This spray creates an invisible barrier that repels liquids and prevents stains. It's the ultimate protection for your footwear. This advanced nanotechnology provides superior waterproof protection. It keeps your shoes safe from rain and other liquids, ensuring they stay in top condition. Whether it's leather, suede, Nubuck, or canvas, this protector works on all materials. It's safe and effective, so you can protect all your shoes. Don't let the weather or spills ruin your day. This spray provides a powerful defense against rain and stains. It keeps them looking newer, longer. Applying this spray is quick and easy. Simply spray it on your shoes and let it dry. It's a simple step to protect your investment. What we like. This spray offers nano protection, creating a powerful barrier against rain and stains. If you're looking for comprehensive protection for all your favorite shoes, from sneakers to leather, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a single product to cover all their footwear needs. What people say. The spray effectively repels water and protects the suede from stains. It creates a barrier that prevents water from seeping into the material. The product is easy to apply and dries quickly. Number 4. Gold Standard Water-Repellent Shoe Protector Spray. Are you tired of ruining your favorite shoes in the rain? This spray is designed to protect them. It creates an invisible barrier against water and stains. This protector works on suede, leather, white sneakers, and boots. It's versatile and easy to use. Just spray it on and let it dry. This product helps to keep your shoes looking new. It repels water and prevents stains from setting in. This will save you time and money. Applying this spray is simple. Make sure the shoes are clean and dry before use. Then, spray evenly from a distance. The 5-ounce bottle is perfect for home or travel. It's a convenient size to keep in your closet or take with you on the go. It will keep your shoes protected. What we like. This product is specifically designed to repel water, keeping your suede and other materials safe from the elements. If you live in a rainy climate or frequently encounter wet conditions, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who prioritize water resistance. What people say. The spray effectively repels water and prevents stains on suede and Nubuck materials. It creates a protective barrier that keeps the shoes looking new. The product is easy to apply and dries quickly. Number 3. Leather Honey Suede Cleaner. This is Leather Honey Suede Cleaner. It's a non-toxic solution for your suede and Nubuck items. Made in the USA, this cleaner will help you keep your items looking their best. This cleaner is designed to clean and restore a variety of items. It works great on shoes, boots, jackets, and bags. It is safe for any color and even white items. The premium foaming formula is gentle yet effective. It maintains the soft texture while removing dirt, oil, and stains. It's perfect for all your suede and Nubuck needs. This versatile cleaner works on various materials. It can be used on suede, Nubuck, smooth leather, and even faux leather. It's a multi-purpose solution for all your cleaning needs. Using this cleaner is quick and easy. Just apply it to a cloth and wipe down your item. You'll see the dirt lift away effortlessly. This cleaner is pH balanced and made with non-toxic ingredients. It's safe for you, your pets, and your suede items. It's also free of PFAS chemicals. Leather Honey has been a trusted name in leather care for over 50 years. This product has a cult following among leather experts. Trust the brand that has been caring for leather for generations. What we like. This cleaner uses a non-toxic formula to gently clean and restore your suede items. If you have delicate suede items that need a gentle yet effective cleaning solution, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who prioritize the health of their materials and the environment. What people say. The leather honey really works and does a great job cleaning without damaging the material. It's easy to apply and I appreciate that it cleans gently without changing the texture or color. It worked way better than I was expecting. I had a suede laptop bag that had small black spots all over it from being in the shed in a tub with a crappy lid. I almost threw it away, but I decided to give this a try first and now it looks brand new. Number 2. Pink Miracle Protector Fabric Guard Spray for Shoes. Tired of stains ruining your favorite shoes? This product is designed to protect them. It creates an invisible barrier against water and stains. This spray effectively repels water and prevents stains from setting in. It's perfect for all types of fabric shoes, keeping them clean and fresh. Applying this protector is simple and quick. Just spray it on your shoes and let it dry. It's that easy to keep your shoes looking their best. Whether it's rain, spills, or everyday wear and tear, this product has you covered. It helps extend the life of your shoes by shielding them from damage. This product provides long-lasting protection, so you don't have to reapply it constantly. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your shoes are well protected. What we like. This spray acts as a fabric guard, repelling both water and stains. If you like a product that provides all-around protection for your shoes, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to keep their shoes looking their best. What people say. The spray effectively repels water and protects the suede from stains. It creates a barrier that prevents water from seeping into the material. The product is easy to apply and dries quickly. Number 1. Leather Honey Suede and Nubuck Care Kit. Introducing the Leather Honey Suede and Nubuck Care Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to clean, protect, and restore your suede and nubuck items. It's perfect for shoes, boots, jackets, and more. The kit includes a suede cleaner, protector, eraser, and brush. This comprehensive set ensures that your suede and nubuck items stay in top condition. It's designed for various items, from apparel to furniture. The pH-balanced cleaner maintains the soft texture while deep cleaning. Its sustainable ingredients release dirt effectively. It's also safe for smooth leather, faux leather, and other materials. The protector creates a breathable layer against spills and stains. It keeps water, dirt, rain, and snow on the surface. This allows you to easily wipe them away. Use the eraser and brush to remove surface dirt and maintain the finish. The brush helps to restore the soft, velvety texture. These tools are essential for keeping your items looking their best. Made with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients, this product makes your leather last longer. It's free of harmful chemicals and safe for people, pets, and your leather items. This product has been trusted by experts for over 50 years. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution with cleaner, protector, brush, and eraser. If you are looking for a complete care package for your suede items, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a one-stop solution for cleaning, protecting, and restoring their suede. What people say. The spray effectively repels water and protects the suede from stains. It creates a barrier that prevents water from seeping into the material. The product is easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving no residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.